Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Radium token. The price line of Radium has broken out the resistance of a bearish pennant, and right now it is ready to break out another down channel. And in today's video, I want to show you how the price line can do that. And before moving to the chart, I would like to show you my previous analysis. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. So this was my last analysis that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and this was the formation of a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And after the formation, the price line was entered in the buying zone, and I was expecting a move between $12.70 to $13.40. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line even rallied beyond the sell target. First it hit the sell targets here, moved down and moved up again and rallied towards the upside. And before this, I shared another harmonic move that was on the 1st of September when the price line completed the formation of a harmonic bullish cipher move, and that was also a very big move beyond the sell targets, which I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher pattern. Now if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame chart, let me show you the daily time frame chart first. And here we can see that we have a very strong key support that is at $8.90. We have a rejection here, like the price line moved up here, we had a rejection, so here it was working as a resistance, and then the price line moved up again, moved down, used this level as a support, moved up again, and here several times it has moved this level as a support, and right now recently it has used this level as a support once again. So this is a really very strong support for the price line. And here we also had a nice resistance, downtrend line resistance for the price action. If we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then it was the formation of the bearish pennant, and this is the bearish pennant I was talking about at the starting of this video, that the price line has broken out this resistance of the bearish pennant, and the target can be here the tail of this bearish pennant, that is approximately at $14.50. Right now we are moving at $9.40, and during this move we had a nice breakout. The price line is having a correction, and if I place this key level support here on this 4-hourly time frame chart as well, then we can see that after this breakout the price line is again moved down at this support, and while moving here the price action has found another downtrend line resistance, and this is the resistance, the new resistance for the price line of Radium, and this is the support. So this is the new formation of a down channel after this breakout, and right now you can see that the price line broke out this resistance here, but while moving down and retesting this previous resistance as a support, it is still moving at this trend line. So it is possible that the price line will retest this support and start the next move to the upside. But if it will be entered the channel back, then it can test the support again, that is $8.90. I'm expecting that from here we can expect a reversal because it has broken out and testing the resistance as a support. So the next few hours are really very important. It can be a very nice buy the dip opportunity, because here the price line broke out and here we had a nice dip, and we are just right now we are breaking out this channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis for my members, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.